Do you want to know how you can view and edit your personal details on Unibet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can view and edit your personal details on Unibet. Go ahead and open unibet.co.uk and then log into your account. The next step is to click on Main, which is over here, and then click on Account. After you click on Account, on the left hand side there is option of Account Details. Go ahead and click on it and go to Personal Details. You can see these are your personal details. In order for you to edit it, you can just click on Edit Details and this will open up. Now you can change your personal details. It's like your address, postcode, city, phone number and email address. After you're done editing, go ahead and click Save. And there you go. This is how you view and edit your personal profile on Unibet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.